communicate with me. Oh, you're in the system? Alright, how's this frigate? Level C. Class C, no thank you. I'll destroy you instead.
Yeah, this is really getting to be annoying.
Why?
It keeps taking me back and forth between two different planets to get to the hollow terminus.
Oh, yeah, I kind of, when that happens, I kind of start doing other stuff because it gets boring. Ooh, a wild basculin. Netball is your effective ball here. Wait. Why is my iTunes giving me such garbage music to listen to? Oh, it just recommended something by the folks that make the Minecraft music. Ooh, B rating. Oh, 9 million though. What the fuck? That's so much. +3 trading. Well-groomed crew. Photon sales -2 expedition fuel costs. Oh. I don't know if I want this ship. I don't think I do. +15 combat for rating. For 9 million though? That's expensive. I already have a bunch of pirate cruisers, so I think I'm gonna... No, thank you. We're gonna just destroy you. I don't think I get anything from destroying them though. Do I? I remember why I destroyed them, because I get confused on which one I've talked to already. Are there any others? There are. There's like a bunch of them. Pirate frigate for 5 million C class. No, thank you. I'll see you out of here.